Good morning, everybody. We come out here to let the birds out. My Easter egg hen, my splash blue lace red Wyandotte, and little man, and one of the black stars. Yeah, I got sinus issues this morning, so it's been raining all night, and it's just a little chilly out this morning and gloomy. I doubt we'll get too much done today. So far, there's everybody. Hey guys, girls, come on in. Come on out. Come on. Here they come. A few stragglers are still in there. Oh, the two new babies went in there too. I say new babies, the ones that were hatched here. They're still inside of there. I guess they like it. That's good, because they're young hens, so maybe they'll stay in there and start laying me some eggs. Just because I let you out doesn't mean it's time to eat yet. Crazy. Anyway, they still in here. I guess they like it in here. Still got one barred rock on the roost. I guess she's not aware that it's time to get down now. I had to get in here and clean these nesting boxes and stuff. My husband said there was eggs in here. Oh, I see where they're at. So we hadn't been getting eggs for, maybe 2 months or so. And look at her. We got 5 right there. Hopefully they'll start laying a little bit more here in a couple of months. And these cold weather snaps, they start slowing down a little bit. I'm surprised to even see these in here. Oh. I know I got to come in here and clean up, that's for sure. 1, 2, 3, that's 5. It is not time to eat. Sorry. Goats are out there in the field this morning. Look how cloudy and gloomy it is. Alright. Y'all go do bird things, okay? Tell everybody, so we'll see you on the next video.